Yo, I think I just found God, bruh. Hey, shouts out to Atlanta and Memphis, even though I'm from neither of those places, but it doesn't matter. Walk into the family restaurant, hope my broke ass is forming luck. This the story of my struggle, even if it sounds corny, bruh. Earlier I had 19 bucks and the arcade cost 14 bucks. I am hungry, I am starving, feel like I'm in North Korea. Just got $5, empty wallet feel. Summer in the hood, my struggle tough steel. Walking Long John Silvers, I see the real deal. Then my life has changed, now that God is real. This comes with 2 fish or chicken, that'll feature with some starters and a drink all just for $5. I don't think heaven's much farther, so I chose the chicken because I heard fish have some mercury. Then I got the spicy sauces, 5 minutes and eating curry. This place saved my goddamn life, cut that chicken with a knife. Take a bite, it's succulent, I think I came just a bit. I would serve my country just so people could taste this in freedom. Well, if I meet the creator, I will hug him when I meet him. Ayy, ayy, ayy. My stomach went from nothing to something, yeah, cause I got Went from nothing to something, ayy. Went from nothing to something, thanks to chicken in this bitch. Went from nothing to something, went from nothing to something, ayy. Went from nothing to something, thanks to chicken in this bitch. Yo, shouts out to Long John Silvers, shouts out to chicken, shouts out to
2Piece chicken real deals.
Not North Korea.
2Piece chicken real deal. 2Piece chicken real deals. 2Piece chicken real deal. 2Piece chicken real deals. 2Piece chicken real deal. 2Piece chicken real deals. 2Piece chicken real deals.
bitch.